Fino is a household name in the Nigerian music industry and has consistently redefined the rap scene with his innovative style and dedication to his craft. He is known for blending traditional Igbo culture with modern beats. He has established and cultivated audiences and established himself as a prominent figure in the industry. By 2024, his success extended beyond music with a thriving empire built on creativity, strategic investments, and impactful collaborations. In today's video, we'll talk about Fino and exactly how he amassed his huge net worth of over 10 million US dollars and how he actually spends these billions. If you are new to the channel, do well to click the red subscribe button and turn on the notification bell icon so whenever I drop a new video, you'll be the first person that is actually going to learn from our channel. Let's take a closer look at how Fino has built his fortune and solidified his position as a trailblazer in entertainment and business industry in Nigeria. In 2024, Fino's estimated net worth is roughly over 10 million US dollars. This figure places him among the highest earners in the Nigerian music industry, reflecting his ability to turn creativity into tangible success. His revenue streams are varied, highlighting his multi-dimensional approach to building wealth. Fino's financial growth is fueled by a combination of many factors. His discography continues to attract streams and sales, ensuring a steady income over the years. Fino has partnered with prominent brands, including his ambassadorship for Guinness Nigeria, which has brought in significant revenue and elevated his public profile. Beyond music, Fino has wisely invested in areas like real estate, record labels, and music distribution platforms. Compared to his contemporaries, Fino's financial standing is particularly impressive due to his ability to handle and balance artistic growth with entrepreneurial ventures. He has demonstrated that his success in the music industry depends not solely on talent but also on strategic planning and the willingness to explore multiple income ventures. Let's talk about the early life and background of Fino. Born as Chibuzo Nelson Azubike on October 9th of 1986 in Enugu State, Nigeria, Fino grew up in a family that valued education. Therefore, he studied the public administration course at the Institute of Management Technology in Enugu State, but his passion for music took precedence. As a teenager, Fino taught himself to play the piano and drums, honing technical skills that laid the foundation for his future career. His Igbo heritage significantly influenced his musical style, leading him to incorporate Igbo language and traditions into his musical talent and genius. These early experiences have shaped his journey into the music career in one way or the other. Talking about his music career and how it started, Fino's entry into the music industry officially began in 2003, not as a rapper but as a producer. He worked behind the scenes, collaborating with other emerging artists, where he sharpened his skills in sound design and music production. These early experiences allowed him to build a reputation as a talented producer while learning the intricacies of creating compelling music. His work during this time provided him with a strong understanding of what it takes to craft a hit, laying the foundation for his future in the industry. Around 2010, Fino decided to step out of the shadows and pursue a career as a rapper. This decision also prompted his move to Lagos, the epicenter of the Nigerian music industry, where he sought greater opportunities and exposure. Immersing himself in a competitive and vibrant environment, Fino dedicated himself to developing his special craft. His ability to blend the Igbo language with modern rap sets him apart from others vying for the same spot as the top Igbo rapper of his time, earning him attention for his fresh and dynamic approach. His rise to fame came as a result of his Fino's 2014 debut studio album, No Gods, No Glory, marked a turning point in his career. The album produced chart-topping hits such as Ghost Mode and Man of the Year, both of which resonated deeply with fans across Nigeria. These tracks showcase his ability to craft relatable yet high energy music in his local language, which is a formula that quickly set him apart. Collaborations with industry heavyweights like Olamido, Flavour, and Timaya further solidified his place in the Nigerian music scene by seamlessly blending Igbo cultural elements with modern rap. Fino not only won accolades but also carved a niche for himself, which a lot of artists like Jeriq the Hustler, Aguero Banks, and a lot of others have actually followed suit. His rise to fame shows his hard work and dedication to his craft, making him an influential figure in African music. His discography and achievements as Fino's music career has been marked by a successful series of albums that underline his creativity and evolution as an artist. Following his 2014 debut of No Gods, No Glory, he released several other critical and commercially acclaimed projects such as No Gods, No Glory in 2014, The Playmaker in 2016, Deal With It in 2019, Something to Live For in 2021, and then his full-time job album, which was recently released on October of 2024. Fino's albums consistently demonstrate his ability to connect with his audience through catchy hooks, thought-provoking themes, and beats that resonate with fans across generations and regions. His award and nominations has increased as his influence has also increased in the Nigerian musical space. If you are still watching this video at this point, please make sure you click the red subscribe button, share the video with your friends who are lovers and fans of Fino so they get to learn more. Because his awards and nominations started when his recognition at the MTV African Music Awards, honoring his influence on African music. He has won awards and nominations at the Headies Awards, one of Nigeria's most prestigious music accolades. Acknowledgement at the Channel Music Video Awards, reflecting his impact on visual storytelling in music. Contributions to the music scene, as Fino has played a significant role in the development and popularization of Igbo rap subgenre. By infusing Igbo language and cultural themes into his music, he has inspired countless emerging artists to embrace their roots while pursuing their craft. His collaboration with top artists such as Olamide, Flavour, and Timaya have elevated the quality and reach of his work, helping to expand the global audience for Nigerian music. Fino's financial portfolio showcases his ability to expand his income far beyond the music industry. His primary earnings are generated through multiple avenues, each contributing significantly to his overall wealth. With a discography full of successful albums and hit singles, Fino earns a substantial income through digital platforms and physical album sales. Fino's sold-out shows and electrifying stage presence have made him a sought-after performer, as concerts and tours across Nigeria, internationally and locally, heavily contribute to his earnings. He has also had a lot of brand collaborations which have played a critical role in increasing Fino's net worth, with his ambassadorship with Goodness Nigeria, which is a prime example, and also various other Nigerian beer brands, and has showed his ability to partner with top-tier Nigerian brands. Beyond music, Fino has ventured into entrepreneurship, displaying his sharp acumen for business. Fino has invested in lucrative real estate ventures, acquiring properties that provide steady income streams while appreciating. His involvement in record label management and music production platforms has not only supported budding artists but also diversified his income sources. Fino capitalizes on his popularity by selling branded merchandise, further monetizing his influence. His philanthropy and cultural impact has also left a huge mark on the Nigerian music atmosphere. As Fino's influence extends beyond music and business, he is deeply committed to uplifting his community and preserving cultural values. His philanthropic activities and cultural advocacy have left a lasting impression. Fino supports various programs aimed at providing opportunities for young Nigerians, including scholarships, mentorship programs, and skill acquisition workshops. He has contributed to building infrastructure and supporting health and education initiatives in his hometown and other communities. Fino has also emerged as a cultural ambassador, using his music and platform to celebrate Igbo heritage. By infusing Igbo language and cultural elements into his music, he bridges the gap between generations and fosters cultural pride. Through his lyrics and public statements, Fino promotes unity within Nigeria, emphasizing the importance of cultural identity and national cohesion. The bottom line is that Fino's 2024 network highlights that he is a remarkable artist who has blended his musical prowess with strategic business ventures, as he has solidified his place in the Nigerian music atmosphere and the financial industry as well. His dedication to promoting culture and supporting his community reflects the values that define his career. Fino's achievements showcase how hard work, innovation, and cultural pride can create lasting success, both artistically and financially. If you are still watching at this point, it means you love getting more content from this channel. So do well to click the red subscribe button and turn on the notification icon, so whenever I drop a new video, you'll be the first person to learn and get something new from our videos. Until then, share the video with your friends so they can be able to learn more about Fino and his musical ventures. Until I see you again, stay safe out there.